What's up, guys? I am back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this really cute tube cheetah dress with a feather boa on the top. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made it, stay tuned. Alrighty, so first we're going to begin by laying our fabric out. Now, as y'all know, or you may not know if you're new to my channel, I like to fold my fabric into fours. So as you can see, I'm going to lay it flat, and then we're just going to go ahead and flip it over one more time. Alrighty, so now we're going to go ahead and get started with those measurements. So as you can see, I am kind of pushing it over so that we can save that little edge of fabric. I needed to make a lot of outfits with this fabric, so we just wanted to go ahead and save as much as we can. Now I am taking the bust, hips, and waist measurement, and we are dividing those by 4. Now, as far as like the bust, hips, and waist placement, I'm just kind of like putting a pin in each spot and just kind of eyeballing it, looking to see what kind of works. Also, another option is if you have an older dress, you could use that to help you with where to put your pins for your bust and your hips and your waist measurement. But I just kind of freestyled it, and also it helps because my fabric is very stretchy. So as you can see, the hip is a little too far out towards the end. I ended up taking it in a little bit more. As I said, it's kind of trial and error. But if your fabric is really stretchy or just has a pretty good stretch to it, you'll be pretty much fine. Alrighty, so now that we have our base to our dress all sewn together, we're just going to go ahead and sew on our feather boa. Now I have a whole video on how I sew my feather boas on. So if you guys want an in-depth video on how to do that, I'll definitely link it in the description box. But I basically divide the feathers down the center and sew a zigzag stitch down that little core piece of the feather boa. Now we are, I am trying to figure out what I'm going to do for straps. I definitely wanted it to have straps just because I thought it'd be like a cute little fun touch to it. So I had these thinner straps. I just kind of put the dress on my mannequin and measured out, the placement on where I wanted them to sit. But the straps were a bit too thin to sew. So if you have thinner straps like that, you can use like E6000 or something like that to attach them. But I definitely wanted to sew the straps. So I got these thicker straps and I just went ahead and measured those the same as the other ones and then just cut those out and sewed them on there with a zigzag stitch. Very simple. Also, I keep calling them straps. It is just regular elastic that you can get from your normal fabric store. I bought mine from Joann's. I don't exactly remember how thick the one that I have on here is, but it's the second to smallest one that they sell. But I just used just regular elastic, and I used that for my straps. Alrighty everyone, thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Please don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Make sure that you like, you comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. We have a bunch of new content coming your way.